This is called Dancing in the Rain. I write a song almost every day since I've got this piano.
Truth in your dreams, to fall down and worship the King of Kings. Just like one lonely heart would plead, castles underneath, slaying dragons with rage and madness. I need the right words to pray. Well, I long to walk with you, our footsteps in the sand. Well, I long to dance in the rain, 'cause I know your heart is true, everything you say is true. Well, I look up to see your handwork in the stars, the cornerstone of the church, the only hope for this world. And your words cut deeper than any sword. I'll climb the highest mountain with you, or cross the deepest river too. How I long to dance in the rain. Oh, how I long to dance in the rain. Well, I long to walk with you, your footsteps in the sand. Well, I long to dance in the rain, 'cause I know your heart, I do. Everything you say is true. I look up to see your handwork in the stars, 'cause I long to walk with you, your footsteps in the sand. Oh, I long to dance in the rain, 'cause I know your heart, I do. Everything you say is true. I look up to see your handwork in the stars. I'll climb the highest mountain with